Hello, sisters. Welcome to my channel. This is Cess Nook, and today I'm going to present to you another project I've been planning to make for a long time. And in general, planting is one of the hobbies I love doing because, as for me, it gives me a sense of fulfillment since I'm able to add more life to another form of living being like plants, and it relaxes me a lot. So this new terrarium I'm setting up, actually, I've thought of it for a long time. I wish to have it in our yard, in front of our house, but I don't have that luxury to buy the materials that I would need, or to be able to build. So I just thought of setting up or making one inside our house, an indoor grotto. And I thought a lot about it because I would like it to be really like solemn, sacred. I know that not everybody agrees to this, but this is my belief, and all I'm asking is for you to respect that. Nevertheless, I wish that you watch the video full and see and give me comment about how you feel about it, your reaction, not about the theme because the theme is mine, it's my belief, like I said, but about my creation, about how you think of it, how I arranged it, or if I've been creative. So things like those. All right, so see you and please enjoy watching. First thing I'm gonna change this sunrise and replace it with this Tokyo Sun zebra plant. I'm not going to take this out of the pot because this requires different soil and this is not the right soil for zebra plant. So I'm not going to take it out of the pot, but we'll just, dig a hole here and insert this. Okay. Also have Vitonia, 3 kinds, 3 colors. I'm also gonna plant. So this I'm going to plant here because anyway this plant needs a kind of soil that is moist all the time. So and I forgot the name. Chrysanthemum, is it right? Okay, so yeah. Okay, so like I will remove this first and these are actually pots that I bought online. So I'm just gonna make it for them candle holder maybe. So I'm gonna put candle here, right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these. These are scented dried roses. Okay, I bought them from online shop. So they are dried roses. Oh, scented. Okay, and I'm gonna put here okay, and okay, for the final touch, but which is the most important of all, is my Blessed Virgin Mary figurine, and I'm gonna place her right here. So I had her blessed at Padre Pio Church. Oh, so beautiful.